It's Portuguese DIY Dad. Today we are working on a 2018 BMW 530i. We're going to be changing the oil. Alright, let's go. First you got to turn the car on and get it in operating temperature before you start working on it. Alright, for this oil change you're going to need a 18mm socket. You're going to need, of course, a jack. If you don't have a lift in your garage, you're going to need a filter and oil. But everything you need for this oil change is going to be in the description box, all the links. You remove this cover? Yep. So the drain is located almost centered. Alright, so what my brother-in-law likes to do is he likes to level out the car while it drains. So he. Alright, while that's draining, I'm going to show you the filter is right back here, and you're going to need a 27mm socket for that, and I'll throw that in the description box. The drain plug is back in, so now we're going to fill it up. I believe it takes between 5.6 or 5.7 quarts. Of course, the oil is right in here.
Well, in this engine, when you pop the oil cap, the oil filler cap, you can get a pretty good look inside get the camshaft and whatnot. So, not that it's going to give you a lot of history, but it makes me feel good that there's not a lot of scratches or anything or marks on that camshaft. Once you finish putting the required oil in, don't forget to replace the oil filler cap. Start the car and give it a couple of seconds to get to the right oil pressure and look for any leaks.
Alright guys, thanks for watching. Make sure you like, subscribe to our channel. And if I can do it, you can do it. Save some money, do it yourself. Alright, God bless.